For this song, Brave, we're only learning 4 chords. Start with C major, so open your hand. We have C major means C, E, G, but because it's inversion, that's why we have this position instead of C, E, G like the regular root position. This is a first inversion. So let's put our sticker on there, E, G, C. Okay, this is the hand shape as if we're waving hello. Next, we have A minor. This is the one that's as if you're grabbing a stinky socks. Okay, so we have E and A. Then next is C. Next two are very similar and they are the same hand shape. It's F chord and G chord. Okay, so F I'm going to put blue and G I'm going to put green. So just so that we are very familiar, F chord means F, A, C, G means G, B, D. And both of these are skips. As you can see, blue, skip over a key into this blue, skip over a key, went to this. So F, A, C. G is same, it's in root position. G, skip over a note, becomes B, skip over another note, and it's on D. Okay, so these are the 4 chords. C major, in pink, A minor, in orange, F major is blue, G major is green. Okay, hand shape, open for C major. A minor is as if you're grabbing something. F major and G major both as if you're holding a baseball.